ABC 36 Storm Team Weather Impact Day. We had a level 3 risk earlier in the week, but we didn't make it an ABC 36 Storm Team Weather Impact Day because we expected the most significant impacts to stay to our north and our east. Now we're kind of right in the middle of where we do expect the most significant impacts. So that's why we have an ABC 36 Storm Team Weather Impact Day today. Late afternoon and into the evening hours for central and eastern Kentucky. All forms of severe weather are possible with damaging wind gusts along that line of storms being the primary threat for us. That's why we do have the Weather Impact Day, and that's why there is a level 3 out of 5 severe risk, really for the heart of Kentucky, which does include most of the ABC 36 viewing area stretching from the Ohio River north and east of our area all the way through south central Kentucky. Yesterday, this was a level 1 risk, and it's been upgraded now to a level 3 out of 5 risk, with damaging wind gusts being the primary threat around that. We do have the risk of isolated large hail and a low-end tornado risk, but again, damaging wind gusts the primary concern. We're dry out there to start the day, and again, expect it to be dry for most of the day. The main activity is this cluster of storms that is now forming across Oklahoma. That's going to be moving off, racing off towards the north and the east today, and that's going to provide our threat. So let's time things out here for you. 8 o'clock to noon, we're dry. There could be some isolated activity out there, but again, the main action moves in along that line. Watch as it really starts to form into that squall line by around 3 o'clock. We're still mainly dry here. There could be some activity developing. Latest couple of runs of some high-resolution models brings some scattered showers and storms out ahead of the main line. So watch out for that late afternoon, early evening. But again, the main severe weather threat, this squall line. And what we're seeing in the data is this bow shape, the backward C. Notice that from Williamstown down through Richmond. That's showing up on a lot of data out there this morning. So look out for that. That's where you're going to see the strongest of the wind gusts. By around 10, 11 o'clock, that has moved to the east. We're going to see some isolated showers overnight. But again, that's a non-severe weather threat for us. Damaging wind gusts, the primary threat with that line that does move on through. Some isolated large hail could be possible. Could see some of that large hail within the storms firing up ahead of the main line. And then the tornado threat is low but not zero. Just during these squall lines, you could get some embedded rotation that we'll be tracking for you. Saturday here for Derby Day. All important Derby Day forecast. Look at noon. There's widespread showers and storms across the area. One thing I am noticing, though, is particularly over towards Louisville, some drier air tries to work on in. You may not be dealing with quite as heavy a rainfall as you get closer towards post time, which is again at 6:57. But still some rain around the area. We lose a lot of that storm chance overnight, though. And then on Sunday, this upper level low just continues to sit and spin over the area, keeps our cloud cover around, and keeps the cooler temperatures around Sunday and then again into Monday. The rainfall forecast shows still widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain expected over the next 5 days. But for today, mainly dry start, and most of the day is going to stay dry until that late afternoon and evening round of strong to severe thunderstorms. Tonight, breezy with some isolated storms early and some lingering showers as well. And there's a look at your full 7-day forecast. So we will be tracking unsettled weather as you head into the day on Saturday as well.